What's the meaning of béchamel sauce? Béchamel sauce. Béchamel sauce.
Béchamel sauce. Béchamel sauce. Béchamel sauce is a classic French white sauce made from butter, flour, and milk. The butter and flour are cooked together to form a roux, which is then whisked together with hot milk until it thickens into a creamy sauce. The resulting sauce is rich, velvety, and has a slightly nutty flavor. It is commonly used in lasagna, gratins, and casseroles, and can be flavored with herbs, spices, or cheese to add depth and complexity. Béchamel sauce is a versatile and fundamental sauce in French cuisine, and is often used as a base for other sauces like Mornay sauce and creamy mushroom sauce.